You know it, and we know it. Gyms, cabins, fields, pavilions, meeting rooms, event spaces, and classrooms don't follow the same booking rules. With Cogran, you can run every space in one system, making it easy for customers, admins, front desk staff, and custodial teams to know exactly what's happening when. Cogran begins with an attractive website that shares your facilities the way people already think about them, with locations, categories, filters, calendars, and detailed listings. That setup can flex across community centers, park systems, sports fields, courts, and campgrounds, so every space lives in one platform without losing its real-world context. Each reservable item can have its own capacity, description, amenities, and reservation settings, so a tennis court and a meeting room don't have to behave the same way. You can also set different pricing, booking times, and how many days ahead each facility can be reserved, which gives every space rules that actually fit how it's used. And the setup goes even further, with calendar colors, approved groups, and automatic resident pricing based on zip codes all built right into the reservation rules. The same gym or room can shift throughout the day, hosting league play in one block, a private rental after that, then a class or special event later on. Cogran supports both fixed time slots and open time ranges, so your staff can pick the booking style that matches how each space actually runs. Administrators decide when reservations become available and when they cut off, so a pavilion can open months ahead while a classroom closes much closer to the date. They can also leave each request pending for staff approval, or let it confirm automatically when that facility's workflow is simple enough to move on its own. That means the very same gym, field, or room can cost one amount in the afternoon, another in prime time, and a different rate again during holidays. You can price by the earliest start, the latest end, the hourly rate, evening pricing, and even set minimum or maximum hours for a single day. And when a resident group books that same space, their rate can be different too, so pricing stays fair for both who is booking and when they're using it. You can also attach the extras a reservation depends on, like equipment requests, rental add-ons, or any other requirement that needs to be handled before the space is ready. So when that request comes in, staff already have the details they need up front and can confirm the booking without a separate round of follow-up. Whether it's a public renter or someone on staff, they can send in a reservation through a built-in workflow that instantly approves or routes the request into review and then confirmation, instead of kicking off a chain of manual emails. And because the status stays visible the whole way through, your team can allow auto approvals, handle admin approvals, spot conflicts, and handle changes from one place without losing track of what still needs attention. Cogran gives you a clear reporting picture with daily usage, reservation status, double booking details, and Gantt-style calendars so you can see how each space is actually being used. Finance and payment data live in that same reporting view, which means your team can track revenue right alongside utilization instead of piecing the story together across separate systems. Your facilities don't operate on their own, and your software shouldn't either. In Cogran, reservations connect directly with registrations, memberships, communications, payments, and reporting in one place. If your gym, cabin, field, and classroom all need rules that match real life, schedule a personalized demo and see how Cogran can be configured around the way your organization actually works.